Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to the Polygon network. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Next, access the D-app browser, which is usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, you'll need to find the Settings or Network option to begin configuring your connection. This initial step is crucial for accessing the necessary network settings within your wallet. Now, you'll need to add the Polygon network details. Select the Add Custom Network option. You will then input the required information such as the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and Block Explorer URL. It's important to ensure these details are correct to avoid connection issues. Once all fields are filled, confirm and save your new network settings within Trust Wallet. After adding the network, switch your Trust Wallet to the Polygon network from the Network selection menu. This will allow you to view your Polygon-based assets. Take a moment to confirm that your tokens and balances are correctly displayed. With the connection established, you are now ready to interact with various decentralized applications and manage your digital assets on the Polygon network seamlessly. If you experience any issues, double-check all the network parameters you entered for Polygon. A small typo can prevent a successful connection. Also, ensure your Trust Wallet application is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and security. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy trading on Polygon!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.